Hi. Cheese. Welcome back to our channel. So now we are here in Rainbow 89 in Tanay Rizal, and we drove down at least how many hours? Around 6 hours, because we came from Tarlac and we pick up our friends. So now let's enjoy the nature. So here is the sample house, a campsite of the Rainbow 89. It's like a small house. And in front will be this kind of view. Yeah, for you to reach the peak, you need to climb a lot of steps in the stairs. Here's Kim. She's a bit slow. I'm already tired. So they also have this campfire area like this.
You can enjoy the swing with the view. And if you want or you're adventurous, you can also try the spider web.
I think this is already common to all the nature parks, but still you have this heart shape that you can take a picture of. We're already on the top, and what can you say is it's very
hot.
Yeah, because we traveled 6 hours, so now it's already afternoon and it's a bit hot here in the Philippines, and most of all is tiring.
Yeah, also there's a lot of, like you can rent some small nipa hut.
Yes.
If you want overnight stay.
And also a tent,
Yeah,
camping tent.
Or you can bring your own tent.
Yes. And we have another hill on the other side. I think that is already a private one for the guys who did the overnight camping.
Yes.
Most of it is still under construction, right?
But I saw a lot of campers.
Yes. Yeah, because they are here for the view.
View and for the nature, because
Yeah.
nature is healing.
Yep.
Yeah.
So I think we should go down, right?
Yeah, and look for a nice restaurant or coffee shop.
Yes. Here in Tanay Rizal. Let's go. We paid 100 pesos for the entrance, and 50 pesos for the parking because of the
Yes.
car. Well, I can say it's
A bit pricey.
a bit pricey.
Because in Sitio Dueg in Tarlac,
Yes,
you will
it's-
just pay for 20 pesos each. Then you can visit 3 or a lot of falls and
There's a falls and there's 2 cafe
yeah.
which we can eat. So yeah, but the good thing about here is it's near the Manila.
Yes.
It's just 2 hours. So let's go down now. So you need to cross this bridge,
Yeah.
at least 2 of them.
There's other one. It's a longer one.
Yes.
A wooden bridge.
So actually it's a 3 bridge. This is the 3rd one that we are crossing. Now we choose the Cafe Katerina. So you can have also a good view here in the mountains. That's why we choose this one. And according to our friends, it's a good food. We end up ordering a grilled foods, which is around 2,000 pesos, and that will be for a 6 person. While we are eating, here is our view. For our dessert, we have these coffees and slices of different cakes, and which is our favorite. So we have finished the eating, and we love the cakes.
Yes.
And yeah, it's not that cheap, but I think it's just the correct. I mean, it's a worth.
Plus the view.
Yeah, plus the view.
And it's so cold.
Yes.
The weather is so cold.
Yeah.
And windy.
Yeah, even the sun was so bright, but the weather is nice. Let's head down to the next destination.
Yes.
While going back to our place, we just passed by this little Baguio
Yeah.
in Patio Razon.
And it's so nice. Just the view of the pine trees is so relaxing.
Yeah, and pine trees is not common in, especially in Manila.
And what is surprising is there's a lot of people.
Yeah, it's very famous.
And there is someone selling coffee.
Yeah, you can just chill and relax and drinking coffee.
Yeah.
Especially now, Baguio is limiting their tourists.
Yeah.
So now let's just enjoy the area and let's go for a coffee.
Okay.
So that's it for the little adventure in Tanay Rizal,
Yes.
and see you in our
Next vlog.
bye bye.